Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 15 how to upload a photo to your account on Twitter using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Twitter account, and the photo you wish to upload. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, click on Safari, go to Twitter, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then we can click on tweet. What is happening? Click on upload photo and then make sure you are in the folder that has the photo. So we can go to documents, my YouTube channel, Twitter, and now you're in the folder. Click on the photo you wish to upload, choose, and we can say something about the photo itself if we're required to. We can crop if we want. However, go back and write the hashtag computer science videos. Tweet. And now the photo has been uploaded to my Twitter account. Command Alt to refresh. Go to your profile. Tweets, replies, and the photo is now in media too. Go back to tweets, go back to your profile, quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.